what's really good? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Diamond, and today I am back with another hair review tutorial. Okay, so if you want to see how I achieved this absolutely stunning look, then carry on watching, keep watching, do comment, like, subscribe as well, and I will give you the tea on how I achieved this look. All right, let's get into it. So this is a 26 inch and it's 180 density. The lace is amazing on this one. The knots are really small as well, really tiny, which we love. It does come pre-plucked and pre-bleached as well. The construction of the wig itself is absolutely amazing. It's giving us just there the adjustable straps and also the combs, which you can go ahead and slide upon your headpiece, okay? But yeah, so you can just see right there, the lace is absolutely stunning. Body yaddy 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 yeah. Body yaddy 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 yeah. Body. So this is the body wave, okay? Really nice, really bouncy, like a bouncing new baby girl, bouncing new baby boy. It comes with this bag just here so you can make sure that your hair remains, and it's coming with edge wraps, wig cap, bonnets, okay? And it's satin in and out so you can switch, reverse, and bring it back again. And these really cute accessories just there. So the hair is absolutely stunning. I did bleach the knots because it's just something that I love to do. But this is without any dye, and I just went ahead and I did my bold cap method. Guys, please do comment down below and let me know if you want to see a tutorial on that. I feel like there's enough sort of, you know, videos everywhere already. So I don't know if you really want to see one from your girl. But do comment down below if you want me to provide one. And honestly, the hair looks absolutely stunning already. And this is without even cutting the lace, no plucking, and just look at that body, yaddy, 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 ow. The hair is absolutely stunning. I'm really, really happy with it. And what I just did just there is I just cleaned away any oil and makeup from the front of my hair, which is where I'm going to be sticking the lace or laying the lace down. But yeah, just I'm gonna let the rest of this video play out. So I'm just gonna go in there with my Gots to Be glue because I'm finding that this method is also working. And what I do is I just put down a couple layers of the Gots to Be glue, and then I'll go ahead with my blow dryer and I dry it on the cold heat. And then I lay my lace down, and I feel like it still works. I mean, if you use Ghost Bond or whatever it is that you use to lay your lace down, it's still going to work. But these days, honey, I'm just happy to just use my Gots to Be. And it also just eliminates, you know, the amount of damage that you get to your hairline, okay? So, of course, use whatever suits you, but this method here is definitely working out for me. Honey, you better use that tail comb, okay? I use that tail comb just to brush the hair back and just to give that lay of your lace, you know? So I definitely use the back of the tail comb just to stick that lace onto my scalp, really. And with cutting the lace, I like to go in a zigzaggy motion. To be honest with you, this particular wig here, I don't know why I left so much forehead, but listen, it's my forehead, isn't it? This is how much forehead I have on a regular basis. Like, so I'm definitely, you know, bodying my natural forehead. But yeah, cut your lace in a zigzag motion so then it kind of gives you that natural look. You don't want it to look too, you know, wiggy, like, but yeah, go ahead and just do that. And then what I like to do is I like to go back in and I add a little bit of the Got2b glue just around the lace, the areas where it just didn't lay down flat. Just go ahead with your glue and your tail comb and just flatten that out. And again, you can go back in with your blow dryer to ensure that it's properly stuck down. And I'm just using my comb to just brush all the hair in the same direction, because you know sometimes the flyaways, you know, just gets caught on your face and it looks really messy, your lace looks all terrible. So just use this method to just get that really clean look. Okay, so as I mentioned, the wig does come pre-plucked, but I did feel like it could do with just a little bit of plucking, which I did go ahead and do. But honestly, like this hair, you hardly need to pluck it, and the pluckerization was really nice and simple as well. No, it wasn't tough, like there was no exercise, my arm weren't tired, like I didn't feel like I just had a session down the gym. All right, absolutely stunning. This hair is gorgeous. I cannot even big it up enough. Like the quality is so soft and it just falls into place. Like, oh, this hair is westkiss hair, amazing. Listen, you need, okay, it's a must. You need a good hair wax. And I like to use the Care one because it just does its thing. It does what it's supposed to do, and that's that on that. But definitely invest in a really, really good wax stick, okay? Right, so then what I did is I went in with my hot comb. Invest in a good hot comb. I got this one from Amazon, okay? Just get a nice hot comb. It really just adds the finishing touch. And all I did was I added water and I combed it back in place, because this hair is a body wave, okay? So it didn't really need for me to do much. I literally just put water and then I combed and I continued combing until I got to this style that I wanted. Absolutely stunning, absolutely gorgeous. And that was just a little bit of the Got2b glue just to control any flyaways, but this hair is absolutely stunning. I went for the really classic side swoop just there. No baby hair on this one. I wanted to keep it very clean, very good looking, and it's 26 inches, honey. But I feel like it looks longer than 26 inches, but absolutely stunning. Just look at the wave on that. I did absolutely nothing to this, apart from the hot comb, which I added to the front of the hair. The rest is just the way the wig itself comes. Absolutely stunning. Okay, so just to give you the extra spec on this hair here, this is the 13x6 lace front wig, and it's the Skin Melt HD lace like I did mention, and this is the body wave. And I got this one in a 26 inch, okay? I got this one in a small cap size, which I think fits really good. I have tried the medium before and it did come up just a little bit big, but the small fit really well. Comes in a natural black color, and it's the Swiss HD lace, which I've been finding really nice and easy to work with. The delivery on this one was really fast, really super. It was delivered to me by DHL and it came within like 5 days, I think, of the order being placed. So that was pretty good. But yeah, so I think it's true to size and it is absolutely stunning. So you can get this one in the 200 density and also 250 density, and the cap size are medium and small. And the longest you can get on this one here is the 36, and the shortest you can get on this hair is the 12 inches. I did get mine in a body wave, and this is the Brazilian hair. Okay, and there we have it. If you enjoyed this video, do not forget to share it. Do not forget to comment, to like, and to subscribe. All the links are in the description box just there below. So click on there and it will take you directly to the shop. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love and I appreciate you all. And I will catch you guys on another video. Bye.